What? What? Where are you?
Oh, there you go. What were you guys doing?
We were hiding because we heard this.
What?
We heard that sound for like an hour, and we also saw something walking towards us out there.
What?
It was weird.
Oh, are you gonna come in?
No, I'm still playing it.
All right. Well, I mean, you guys could get chairs or something.
I
set 'em in the garage.
have my own account on YouTube, and I'm recording a video to post right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so guys, well, I'm just hanging out with Willow. That's my grandma Julie right over there.
All right. Come on,
I
Murph.
forgot to say my YouTuber name. Yeah, you're back with Sunshine FX. And we're gonna get back here and hide again because we saw something walking towards us. You're gonna get us caught. So we're just hiding here to be safe. Because being safe is the best thing to do when you hear something creepy. Yeah. So we're just hiding back here and being nice and warm. There's the sound again.
It's probably that washer because I turned
It's
the washer.
probably the washer. Yeah. So guys, this is really freaky. We're hearing this sound. Don't you guys hear it?
Yeah.
Be quiet. Shh. Don't you guys hear that sound?
Yeah.
I mean, it's really creepy. Yeah. So we were just wanting to record this to have some
They can't see you.
good times, and so
Yeah, I showed them the pool.
this is just Willow's pool.
Yeah,
and
it
she
was my baby.
when
Yeah,
was her baby pool.
when I was a baby, I loved that seahorse. I used to always go in that spot.
Oh, you guys can barely even see my head.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's so dark in here.
See, the other head, that's why.
Yeah. The one that's doing this is my head.
Yeah, and this one that's doing this is my head.
Oh God. Oh my God, guys. The screen just went completely black. What? Look, the screen just went completely black.
It must be really dark. Wait, it is.
Oh, it's really dark in here. Hold on. No, it's the blur thing. It's the blur thing. You know, like with Dan TDM, his
And
screen
every
gets blurred.
time when
Okay, let me see. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's
I
unblurred.
used to love the treasure box and the seahorse.
Something just happened again. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Here in a minute,
really
I think it might be my max recording level. Here
What's
in a minute.
max? A recording.
So, I'll see you guys in the next video,
Yeah,
which is in
bye.
a couple seconds later, and I'll see you. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe
yeah,
and click
don't-
the comments below.
Yeah,
Bye, guys. Give
yeah.
us
Don't
a
forget. Don't forget to subscribe and click and
click the
just say
comments
something.
below
Just say
and,
something in the comments
give
below.
us a
And if you like this video, just give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you next video. Bye.